In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a free trial on TradingView to explore all the premium features without spending a dime up front. If you're looking to enhance your trading experience or simply curious about what TradingView has to offer, this guide will help you get set up quickly and easily. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the TradingView website. Just type in tradingview.com into the address bar and hit enter. The page should load quickly, displaying TradingView's homepage packed with various market analytics and charting tools. Now, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Get Started. Go ahead and click on that to initiate the sign-up process. The next step is to choose a plan. TradingView offers several premium plans, and though they all have different features, the good news is that each one comes with an option for a 30-day free trial. So browse through the options and pick the one that you think suits your needs best. Don't worry too much about the exact details of each plan right now, since you can always change your preference later on. Now, look for the option that says Try Free for 30 days under the plan you've selected. This option allows you to test drive the premium features without any upfront cost. Clicking this will bring you to a page where you need to input your payment information. This usually involves entering your credit card details. Don't be alarmed. Entering your payment information is standard practice for most services offering free trials. Just remember, if you're not planning to keep the subscription, you'll want to make note of when your trial period is set to end. Once your payment details are confirmed, the system will guide you through the remaining steps to complete your account activation. This process is typically straightforward. You're essentially setting up your profile to fully utilize all the advanced charting and analytical tools TradingView has to offer. Now that your account is activated, you can dive right in and explore all the features available during the trial period. Enjoy the premium insights, advanced charts, and all the necessary tools that could help you become a better trader. But here's an important tip. To avoid being charged for the next month, you'll need to cancel your subscription before the 30-day period ends. Setting a reminder for yourself a few days before your trial period expires is a wise move. This way you can make your decision to continue with a paid plan or cancel without any accidental charges. There you have it. You're all set to explore TradingView's world of data and analytics for free this month. Enjoy your trial and happy trading.